Visitors, always visitors. Nothing but visitors all day long. Nako, I'm beginning to feel like a society matron. Tony, I thought you were in the provinces.
But is that you, Aling Atang?
Of course, it's I, foolish boy. Who did you think? It was Carmen Rosal.
You don't look like Aling Atang.
I had my haircut. Do I look so horrible?
Oh, no. You Oh, no. You look just Oh, no. You look just wonderful, Aling Atang. For a moment, I thought you were your own daughter. I thought you were Kikay.
Oh, you are so palikero as ever, Tony. But come in. Here, sit down, Tony. How is your mother?
Oh, poor mother is terribly homesick for Tondo. Aling Atang, she wants to come back here at once.
How long have you been away?
Only 3 months.
Only 3 months? 3 months is too long for a Only 3 months? 3 months is too long for a Tondo native to be away from Tondo. My kumare, how bored she must be out there.
Well, Aling Atang, you know how it is us with engineers. We must go. Our jobs call us. But as soon as I have finished with the bridge in Bulacan, Mother and I are coming back here to Tondo.
Yes, you must bring her back as soon as possible. We miss her whenever we play pingenge.
So, ha. That is what misses of all.
Now, I understand how she feels. Your mother could never become a provinciano.
Go.
Tony, once a Tondo girl, always a Tondo girl. Look at my Kikay. She was over there in America for a whole year. And she says that she never felt homesick at all.
When did Shikikay arrive, Aling Atang?
Last Monday.
You look just wonderful, Aling Atang. And where is she now?
Who?
Lap.
Who?
Nakatingin ka dun, gago. Kikay? Is she at home?
Oh, of course, she's at home. She's still sleeping.
Still sleeping?
She says that New York people do not wake up before 12 o'clock noon.
It's only 10 o'clock now.
You wait right there, Tony. She'll be simply delighted to see her old childhood friend. And she'll want to thank you in person for these flowers. How beautiful they are, Tony. How expensive they must be.
Go. Oh, they're nothing at all, Aling Atang.
Oh, Tony.
Go. Yes, Aling Atang.
Ego, you mustn't call me Aling Atang.
Why not?
She doesn't like it. She says I must tell people to call me Mrs. Mendoza. She says it's a more civilized form of address.
Go. Yes, Aling. I mean yes, Mrs. Mendoza.